नमस्ते और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, I will be talking about how jealousy can be used at our advantage and if it is possible to turn this negative emotion as a fuel to achieve success faster. So let us begin the video by understanding what jealousy is. I think we all have a good understanding of what it is. It basically is a feeling of resentment and bitterness towards someone who has something that we don't. Jealousy, as we understand, is a very negative emotion, but can it be changed? Can this negative emotion be used to our advantage? And the answer to this question is yes, because I was reading this book recently and it actually changed my perspective towards jealousy and how we can use it as a fuel or tool to achieve success faster. And success can be your own, you can define your own success. Whatever is success to you is success to you, and that can be achieved at a very faster rate if we use jealousy as a tool to achieve it. And I was shocked to know that such thing exists, because mere dimag mein jealousy is something that we should not have and something that is very wrong to have actually. But mujhe later realize hua ki it is also human to have these emotions. So in this book, the writer tells how we start to procrastinate, how we, self-doubt when this jealousy kicks in. But there is a other way of looking at the picture. And in this book, it also clearly talks about how jealousy is a byproduct of comparison. Like first, the seeds of comparison come, and then the jealousy is like the end result of it. Like a coin has two sides, comparison also has two sides. One is torture and the other is teacher. But we as humans indulge ourselves only in the torture part and forget that there is one that is, motivating and a positive side. And when we induce ourselves in this torture, like it is a self-made torture. No one is telling us to do that, but we look at others' win as our loss. But we forget that they actually are making it all easy for us. So, in this book, the writer actually gives us a different perspective, and this perspective is a lot better than the self-sabotaging one, than the one that tells you that jealousy is wrong. So in this book, the writer tells you that jealousy is actually an invitation from your future self. And I was like, okay, how can we look at jealousy as an invitation from our future self? Basically, when you look, like, what is jealousy? You looking at the people who are achieving things in their life that you want very closely. But now, the writer says us that we should not feel inferior about them. Instead, we should see and look at the thing that it is possible for us too. Because if someone else can do it, why can't you? They were in the same boat as you and they have succeeded and you were not. You are not. Why? Because you were busy looking at them? Yeah, maybe because you were busy looking at them. But here the writer says, don't take others' win as your loss. Because if you do that, then you will be defeated even before you start. And that is not okay. Like, if you want to enter the game of life, you can't go in with the mindset of, defeated and I can't do it. And that happens when you take it as a torture. When you see comparison as a torture, then you are doing it all by yourself. But instead, you can look at the positive side and acknowledge that someone is showing you the way or giving you literally the blueprint to success of whatever you want in your life. They're just handing it to you, and you just need to put in the work and you will also be there. The secret of turning jealousy into a positive emotion is by turning it into a teacher. You don't have to look at others' win as your loss. You have to look at them as a teacher. You have to look at that thing as it is possible. Like, why is it not? If someone else can do it, you can too. And also let them be successful. Let them have it all, because they are showing you a way that you also can. And by focusing by bringing your energy to the you can thing, you can actually do it. I think you can put by putting in the hard work, by doing it all, you can have it all. So, this is the secret of turning your jealousy into a motivator by making it your teacher. And I hope it helps people. And this book that I'm reading is so great. I will be recommending you all this book, but I'm a very slow reader when it comes to self-help, but they do magic. Matlab, basically, one part of the book is also so good, like it alters your brain ka wiring, according to me. And for that, it will take time. So, the videos will be coming in bits and bits, and when I complete the book totally, I'll come and recommend you all because it is a very great book. I think it will take some more time for me. This is one of the part of the book, like one of the chapter of the book where the writer talks about how we can use jealousy, and she talks about many different things, like mostly about the negative emotions that we have and how we can use them as a tool to become a more wiser person, basically. Or also she talks about how it is very, like it is okay for you to have negative emotions, but the moment you realize, the moment you be mindful of them, okay, you're having them, what are you doing about them is actually what matters. And this is the whole video about, like, I was basically telling you all how you react to your negative emotion is a very bigger part than the emotion itself. If you look at it from the negative perspective, it will always remain negative and have a very bad impact in your life. But if you change your perspective about it and how you deal with it, then tada, magic happens. And this is what I wanted to talk about. I hope it helps you in some way or the other. I though am learning very much. I hope I finish the book and recommend it to you all because it is very, very nice. And I hope that I do it jaldi say. That's all for today. Hope you liked it. I though as usual love talking. Bye. See you in the next video.